I wanted to record this video for a while now, but I couldn't do it because my editor was busy, and also I only have one editor. So I'm planning to record that and also not edit it, because if I want to edit that, not gonna happen. So very simple. I will just take a moment and share my screen to. So I actually have two different windows here. All right. So the first one, let me just write. Mm, so the theory is I will write a prompt for my ChatGPT window so that I can ask ChatGPT to write the best type of prompt. What do I mean? So the theory is maybe I'll be writing a prompt. So if I want to write a prompt very easily, so I'll go to Sakari. This is like just SMS calculator. I do a lot of SMS marketing, so I need that. So just for example, I would like to search. Then I can just write, I want the list to be really easy and concise manner. So that's a normal prompt. If I just copy that and paste it here, it will just give us a good normal idea. But that's not a very effective prompt. The effective prompt should be where I'm actually defining ChatGPT a role, then I'm asking very in-depth questions. So a good prompt should be, okay, so that's my prompt. I could write it more in depth. I write it more in depth, but that's good to go. So let me just do it. So in this one, I'll just group this one. And also in this one, I'll just put out the previous one. Uh, okay, I don't remember the previous one. So top 10 fiber skills in demand in 2000. Now you will see the difference in result, and both of them are actually using 1 mini. I have the paid plan, but I just want the reply to be in very fast manner. So you can see it's very, it's very organized and relaxing. So that's one of the thing. You got it. Now you have to just copy it and read it. And then what about this one? This one is not that in depth, and also it's in just generic format. Now you can use some other formats. Just for example, 4.0 is good for image generation and also all the generic stuff. But you can use 3.03 because this one is the most advanced in terms of the reasoning is concerned. The computer can think like he wants to. So that's the difference. Now, when we are prompting, we don't want to spend the time. We want to be very things to be very easy. And if you're not a very serious user like me, then you don't need to think about it a lot. So you can just literally type whatever you want. Just for example, I want to know who is, what are the skills we have to learn in 2025, and also what will be in demand. Write it concise and shorter. So that's the prompt. Now I have to train one of the windows for prompting, one of the windows for prompting, one of the windows for actual work. So I am writing this for the prompting. Again, I'm taking a new window. So I'm defining its a role. Define. So that's my prompt. Okay. So I'll just hit an enter. It will just say yes. It wrote yes. Now I'll just write now. So that's the prompt. All right. So now if I want to know something else, now I'll just copy that and paste it here. All right. So let's think about some more complex idea. All right. So let's just go to Sakari. A real life situation. I am sorry, share my mode on this way. I want you to search all the way to the end. Let me check. So I'm making the spelling mistakes by my will because I want it to understand. Now I am not eating. I am not sure what will happen. Now I just copied that and I want specific situations. So now I'll just write improve this prompt for GPT. Now this prompt is here, so I'll just copy that, and so that's the way to get the best amount. Now if I want to generate images, so now I'll just write in this situation, can you make sure to create a design, improve this from for my pretty image. Then also remember the last one, and it should be something. Let's see if it can generate me. In this situation, please create me design of this. So I'll just after control copy that and go there and paste it. So it's actually generating an image. You can literally make changes on that. Same thing will happen with Sora AI as well. If I just go to Sora AI from here, and if I ask, this is the situation. All right, let me just try once. I know it's taking a lot of time, but it's important. So I already have the paid plan. If you don't have it, don't worry. You might not need the Sora AI. So I the situation is I am trying to teach a bunch of. So I did not write it on proper way. So just I'll go there. I want this prompt to be tailored for Sora AI and also scene by scene at as much. So it's actually creating scene. So okay, that's the image it generated. I liked it. Now on Sora AI, people have generated different things. So already I have generated, see, a lot of videos. They're all generated by Sora AI. All right. So now I'll just generate something interesting more interesting actually. So I'll just go there, and for getting it in very interesting way, so I'll just create it on YouTube version, and also it should be for 480, because in that case I don't want it to be too long. All right, so I want the duration to be 5 seconds, the basic one. So it already created the prompt. So I went there, it's scene by scene, it just wrote it. I'll just go there, and there is a storyboard. This video is not for how you can use Sora AI, but we'll just try to learn it. Let's see how much time does it take. So you understood the theory. The theory is you have to use AI in a way that you win. You feel like I am winning. So the first thing is you have to use AI, and you have to make two different tabs. Number one tab should be for generating prompts. You already will write a very unstructured prompt, and the second one should be you are actually copying that unstructured prompt and also improving it from the first one, and taking it to the second one and pasting it, then getting the best results. It should be very easy. So I'm just writing it here for you. These are our steps. If you can somehow follow these steps, we will be able to optimize and get the best result on GPT. So that should not be very difficult. Number one, actually unplanned prompt, then taking two different tabs, training the first one to be improved, and then dropping it and to tell it to improve, and then pasting it and getting the best result. So that's about it. Let's see what Sora AI actually did. I'm training, all my students are not learning it, and the training is not going okay. Okay, it has error. I can literally change the storyboard. Okay, this one actually took someone maybe Japanese. So in my opinion, that's the way I use it, and I'm getting super exciting results. So that's why I'm suggesting it to you. If you like it, just give it a like, and also write down a comment so that I can also feel motivated to make more videos like that. Thank you so much.